Are you thinking about making a move to Oak Ridge, North Carolina, and you want to know all there is to know about the neighborhood of 12 Oaks? If you are, then today you're going to want to check out this video. My name is Marie Parsons. I'm a realtor. I live here and love it here. I want you to move here and love it here as much as I do. And if you could do this, it would be so awesome. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because each week I'm going to be taking you a little tour, a little adventure of all things Greensboro, Triad area, and Oak Ridge. And I wouldn't want you to miss out. You ready to go check out 12 Oaks? Let's go. We are here today in the neighborhood of 12 Oaks. We are in Oak Ridge. We are in Guilford County. We are in the zip code of 27310. And this neighborhood was established in 1999 to 2003. So it was only like a small window that this development was made. So Oak Ridge is northwest of Greensboro. We're about 9 minutes to Stokesdale, 11 minutes to Kernersville, 15 to Summerfield, and then I'd say 25 to Greensboro. So you are off of 68 and 150. You're not far from the Oak Ridge Commons, and you're super close also to 73, which then takes you into the loop that goes all the way around Greensboro. So that makes it super convenient. I love that you're in a small town. I love that you are close to everything. And I love that if you have elementary age school kids, the entrance to it is literally in the neighborhood, that you can ride your bike or walk them to school if you so wish. Speaking for me, with my kids, they were better off walking and skateboarding to school because it got some energy out and it helped them focus. I'm just saying, you do you. Let's talk house pricing. The average house price here is $830,000. They have gone back a year. It is June, oh my gosh, of 2026. Only one house is sold and one is for sale. Those have ranged between $810,000 to $850,000. So to give you an idea about the size of the house, they range between 2,900, which is on the smaller side, up to 6,700. The average is around 3,900 square feet. And the average price per square foot is $183 a square foot. So these are bigger lots. The majority of them are 1 to like 1 1/4 maybe. But the room sizes range between 3 to 5, 3 to 5 bath, and 2 to 4 car garages. But keep in mind that this neighborhood is on septic. So when they say that it's only 3 to 4 bedrooms or 3 to 5, that's just based on the septic. All of these houses have bonuses and extra rooms and media rooms, or exercise rooms, whatever you want to call them. You are working with an HOA of $100 for the year. So there are no amenities here. On the plus side of it not having an amenity like a neighborhood pool or anything, the Oak Ridge Swim and Tennis is right down there. So you could always join there. Let's talk grocery shopping. You have a Lowe's Food at the Oak Ridge Common, which is 4 minutes away. You have Food Line up in Stokesdale, that's 9 minutes away. Let's talk shopping. You are 5 minutes to the Oak Ridge Commons. You're about 20 minutes to Friendly Center. And then if you wanted to hop over to Kernersville, that's only 11 minutes. Kernersville has a lot to offer, in my opinion, without having to drive into Greensboro if you didn't want to. Let's talk green spaces. So you have Oak Ridge Town Park, that's 4 minutes away, which is a great park. There are trails in through here, like paved trails. So that's just right here. It's here. You've got Oak Ridge Heritage Park, so that's got more of like a playground for the kiddos. That's also 4 minutes away. You've got Cascade Preserve, which is really a Kernersville address, but that's 7 minutes away. That's like, think wooded, hiking trails, like a stream, that type of thing. And if you're looking for things like Burr Mill with like longer trails and the Science Center, that is 20 minutes. The schools that you will be slotted for are Oak Ridge Elementary, Northwest Middle, and Northwest High School. So I hope you've learned all that you wanted to learn about 12 Oaks. If you have any questions, you want to see another spot, put them in the comments below. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.